Friends, in geometry, there is a very important theorem called Pythagoras theorem, which I am sure all of you are aware of, which states that the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides in a right angle triangle. So today I would like to teach you an amazing trick, amazing shortcut to find the Pythagorean triplets. So what do you mean by Pythagorean triplets? Pythagorean triplets are numbers, three integer numbers which satisfy Pythagoras theorem on them. For example, 3, 4, 5 is an example of Pythagorean triplet. How? 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 25 is equal to 16 plus 9. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So 3, 4, 5 is a very basic example of three integer numbers which satisfy Pythagoras theorem, and we call them as Pythagorean triplets. Now if 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, so is 3k, 4k and 5k. All multiples of them will be Pythagorean triplets as well. So we will not talk about that. Another set of numbers is 5, 12 and 13. 13 square 169, 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 144 plus 25 is 169. A very important triplet which is a favorite of CAT exam as well is 8, 15 and 17. 64, 225, 289. This plus this, square of them is equal to square of this. Now what I am going to teach you is an amazing trick or shortcut. Given the lowest number, given 3, we can tell the triplets corresponding with 3 as 4 and 5. Given 5, we can tell 12, 13. So given any number in the world, any integer number in the world, we can tell at least one Pythagoras triplet which will correspond to that, with that number being the smallest integer. For example, I want to find with 5. First I am teaching you with odd number. So 5 is odd number. So what is the trick? Now pay attention, very simple. You do 5 square. So what is 5 square? 25. Divide by 2. So 25 divided by 2 is, my dear friends, 12.5. So the rule is take 12 and 13. Take the integers which are here and there, or 12.5. So you will get corresponding to 5, you will get 12, 13. Okay, let's check for 7. So 7 square 49 divided by 2, 24.5. The triplet is 7, 24 and 25. You have all the liberty and right in the world to check everything. 625, 576, 49. 576 plus 49 is 625. Okay, let's do for 11. Come on. 11 square 121 divided by 2, 60.5. So the triplet which corresponds to 11 is 60, 61. So my dear friends, I am not saying that this is the alone triplet with 11. There might be some other number as well, for all you know. But this is definitely for sure at least one triplet with 11. So it will be very handy for you when you do the CAT exam and there are questions on triangle or circle or whatever involving the Pythagoras theorem somehow. Okay, let's come to even numbers. This is the shortcut I have taught for odd numbers. So let's say I want to find with 8. Very simple. Divide 8 by 2 first. 8 upon 2, 4. Do the square of 4. 4 square, 16. And now take 1 less and 1 more. 1 less, 1 more. So 15 and 17. Okay, so what will be for 12? Come on. Divide by 2. 6. 6 is square. 36. And my dear friends, the triplet corresponding to 12 is 35 and 37. So this is amazing trick, amazing shortcut to find the Pythagorean triplet, 3 integer number corresponding to the smallest number which is given to us. Thank you so much, friends.